This is a community service announcement. If you are a Jamaican in the United States and you only have one form of ID, and that is your passport, be very careful with it. You never think it's going to happen to you, but from the number of lost passport applications I've received, I can tell you it will very likely happen to you. If it's the only ID you have and you have to take it to the store, for example, if you want to buy alcohol, please keep it in a pouch, carry the pouch around your neck. Always ensure it is handed back to you. Put it back in the pouch before you walk away from the counter. Stand there, put it back in the pouch before you walk away. Likewise, if you are in a taxi cab, keep your bag around your neck, keep your wrist through the straps of your bag so you do not leave it in the taxi. I have heard of many passports being left in Uber or Lyft. If you go to a nightclub, carry a cross-body bag. Carry a tiny bag and slip your passport into it. Do not carry the new fancy tiny bags that is too small to fit your passport. Carry a big enough crossbody bag or waist bag or whatever it is, because your passport is very important. A lost passport is quite expensive to replace, and it takes a lot of time and it's a lot of work. The next thing is store the passport carefully. I made a video about someone whose visa got eaten up by rats. The same thing can happen to your passport. But not only that, I've seen passports that juice was spilled on, passports that were washed in the machine. This one I've seen quite a few times. I've seen passports that had cold medicine spilled on it. And today, I hope the gentleman is not watching, but I heard about another one that fell into a urinal. Please be careful with your passports, because it makes me very sad when persons come to me to say their passport is lost or damaged. It is the only form of ID they have, and they need to move from one place to another. Several persons in the first week of February asked me if I can get a passport for them very fast because they have to travel from one state to another and they don't have any other form of ID. It is disheartening. So, a word to the wise. Carry your passport carefully. Imagine that it could actually happen to you, because it has happened to many like you. If you lose your passport, contact 876 Documents. We can help. As far as storing your passport at home, check out our latest blog. We talk about the importance of proper storage, and we give you suggestions with affiliate links for where you can purchase some storage for your very important documents. I am Gail. Thanks for watching.